How you doing, guys? Welcome back to Crypto World. My name is Phipps, and today we'll be covering the Gods token. Do apologize, I've not made a video for the last few days, as bits going on, and it didn't help that I had some sort of power loss, and I literally lost all of my charts. So yeah, I've rebuilt these with a fresh view, and where we are with Gods, essentially watching the Bitcoin movement. So just where we are with Bitcoin at the moment, we have had a good upswing which broke us free of the downward ascending wedge that we were in, descending wedge even. So fingers crossed, we've got a couple of support zones here that we need to hold, and if we get above the 51.8 and close above, we should be seeing a fresh bull run commencing, which is what everyone wants to hear. So watching Bitcoin closely, because obviously it has a knock-on effect for all of the altcoins and tokens. So where we are with Gods, just going back on the 4-hourly chart, because we're building a nice picture here where we do look like we're accumulating for a pump. Again, we've seen it, we fall into this downtrend, we spike, and then we were falling into a downtrend where we were accumulating, and we did attempt to break out, but we followed suit with Bitcoin, which brought us right down, and we were rejected at all resistance levels. We had a bounce, and now we're back into that period of accumulation. So predictions moving forward are that at some point within this channel, possibly sooner, but I do expect us to essentially stay within this channel, we will see a breakout from the wedge pattern, which we will have some sideways action. There'll be a small pump upwards, some sideways action, and then we'll shoot, break through two resistance zones, reject and bounce. And we do need this support bounce just to make sure that we're not going too fast too soon. That's my expectation if Bitcoin remains stable / moving upwards. If we see any sort of price action such as this, where we might see a fake out, a short fake out above, and then a quick descent, if we begin to lose and struggle to get back above these support zones, more than likely this is a pattern that we're going to be moving lower. Now, although Gods is a good standalone utility, and I'm very bullish on the game moving forward into 2022, we cannot disregard what's happening with Bitcoin at the moment. Now, as you can see on the 4-hourly chart, we've had close to 24 hours of really strong movement from Bitcoin, which we haven't seen from God's token. Now, that's telling me that we are in a period of consolidation, ready for our move higher. Do watch what happens with Bitcoin. I cannot stress this enough. If Bitcoin decides to take a deep dive back down to the 46 area or lower, that's going to dramatically affect the trajectory of what Gods is trying to achieve at the moment. So that's all for me. I am still in this token and I am bullish for it, but I may withdraw my holdings if we fall and hold below the 5.2 area. And again, just to confirm, breakout to the upwards beyond the parabolic candle we'll probably see. We need to break through 5.9, so realistically 6. We will then probably pass straight through the 6.6 up to 7.4, see a retracement back to the 6.6. If that holds as support with some sideways action, we're good and gone. So fingers crossed that Bitcoin has made a decision on what it wants to do. It's going to be a big day today for what's happening in the courts with crypto. So I think we're going to see some significant price action on the back of the decisions in the courts and some fresh funding coming in. So I'll leave these two predictions here, and fingers crossed we're all happy come the end of the week. All right, good luck, take care.